Few more miscellaneous confusions relating to the tax audit or filing of form number 3CD. Here, who will be the signatory of the particular tax audit? Obviously, a chartered accountant with a certificate of practice. And you know that a practicing chartered accountant as an individual, he cannot accept more than 60 tax audit assignment under which the turnover is exceeded the prescribed limit of section 44AB. So that is the one thing. Now who will sign? So in a particular firm, if there are 10 partners, then 10 partners means 600 audit they can sign. They don't have to sign 60 per partner. One partner can sign 500 audit and other partners can sign balance 100 audit. So that composition depends on them. It doesn't have to that. The limit is not in partnership firm cases or LLP cases. Limit is not per partner. It is a per firm considering the total partners who are signing the audit. Okay. So while signing the audit report, what type of information you need to disclose? Form number 3CD has to be signed by the person competent to sign form number 3CA and 3CB as the case may be. He has to give the full name, address, membership number, firm registration number whenever applicable, place and date. If audit report is issued in soft copy, then tax auditor has to affix the digital signature. So you don't have to take the printout and sign it. Even digital signature is accepted here. In case of digital signature, one point you need to keep in mind: whenever you sign the report with a digital signature, the date of digital signature will by default come there. So date of audit report and date of digital signature should be the same or nearby. It cannot have a great difference, and that's the reason people don't use digital signature to sign the report. They do the physical sign only, but we prefer to sign it by digital signature. Okay. Next, how do we furnish the report? Are you supposed to do it physically? Answer is no. You have to do it you have to upload on the portal, and if you are using any e-filing utility or any software, then it will be done easily. What I am trying to tell you here, first of all, before uploading the report, your auditor should be listed on the assessee span. So assessee has to log in and assessee has to appoint the auditor, accept the audit assignment, then only it will happen. The assessee is required to accept the audit report under his digital signature. So that is one of the important criteria here that you need to keep in mind, that your acceptance has to be there. Otherwise, it won't be easy to upload the report. It won't be uploaded only. Okay, the assessee has to accept you as the auditor. Another question comes, can the tax audit report be revised? So ideally we say don't revise anything. Why are you revising when you can do it in a perfect manner? But if there has been some miscommunication in tax audit report, yes, revision of tax audit report is also possible. Further, when accounts are revised in the following circumstances, tax auditor may have to revise the tax audit report also. Revision of accounts of the company after adoption in annual general meeting, change in the law with a retrospective effect, change in the interpretation of law due to CBDT or notification or judgment, then tax auditor can revise the report. It is not a ordinary circumstances, but yes, tax audit report can be revised. Under clause number section 44AB lays obligation on the certain person mentioned thereunder, carrying on the business to get the books of accounts audited. Okay, all these things. This person have to furnish the audit report. Okay, the CBDT through rule number 6G provided that the tax audit report furnished may be revised by the person getting the revised report of audit from a chartered accountant. So assessee can revise the tax audit report only if the CA has revised the report, duly signed and verified by the chartered accountant. If there is a payment by such person after the furnishing of the report which is necessitated recalculation or disallowances. Okay, if there is some recalculation and disallowances required, then definitely your tax audit report can be revised. The revised tax audit report has to be furnished before the end of the relevant assessment year. So one of the condition here is that when the report gets revised, practically, if this is your previous year, okay, for your previous year you are filing the tax audit report by 30th September, okay. By 30th September, your TAR will go, and here assessee has not deposited the TDS. So you will disallow 30% of the expenditure. That's what section 40A says. Because assessee has not paid expenditure before filing the audit report, you will disallow it. But actually income tax law has given him the time to make the payment before filing the return. Same thing, that section 43B, no? Section 43B. certain expenditure allowed on the payment basis, 43B, certain expenditure which are allowed on the payment basis, and we have to make payment before filing the return or due date of return, and due date of return is 31st October in case of audit. So if somebody has made payment here which was disallowed by the auditor due to the non-payment or non-deduction of the TDS, but assessee has made the default good before filing the return, then legally assessee is right. So as the auditor, you are supposed to revise your tax audit report in this period. That's the reason revision of tax audit report is acceptable, but there has to be a genuine reason behind it. All right. Thank you, my dear friends, for having the patience through the whole tax audit report closer discussion. If you want us to record any video or any content which will help you and help us to build a very strong professional system, then please let us know in our comment box, through our WhatsApp, through Telegram channel, through email ID, whatever links we are providing, and get in touch if you need any kind of help also. We are always ready to assist to our fellow professionals. Thank you.